So let's have a look at the Kao Sao. It's a slightly unusual block. It has several major advantages. So for example, if he was punching and I was able to get out of the way of this, I'd want to be doing a Tan Sao, and you've learned this earlier. But if, for example, it's coming in and it's already past my arm, I'm a little bit too late. I mean, maybe I've done a Pak Sao, but it's still coming in too hard and fast. So what I want to be able to do is guide it to the side of me. Now, if you think in terms of at this point here, it's heading straight towards me and it's fairly dangerous. All I need to do as it comes in, if I roll my arm over it, and now suddenly it's on the outside. It's not only on the outside, but he is fairly open. There's all sorts of nasty things I could do to him while he's there. And if he left it there long enough, I can do all sorts of nasty things with his arm just because it's still there. But we'll come onto that a lot later. But for now, what I don't want you to worry about is pushing him anywhere. So what I'm trying to do, ideally, is as that comes in, I'm allowing it through, very gently and softly. I'm moving me around it, not trying to push it around me. So we'll look at the details of that as we go.